Use the Packages section to identify the weight and dimensions of the packages that comprise a parcel or postal shipment. If you have your online store connected to FreightDesk Online, and you're using one of Integer Technologies' small package quotes products, the information about the packages will be pre-filled. To add a package to any shipment, click on the Add icon in the right margin. Use the Packages drop-down to retrieve a predefined box from the Boxes directory. You can add to and edit the boxes in the directory by clicking Directories in the main navigation menu. If you don't have a box in the directory, then type in its details. Use the controls in the right margin to add or remove a package from the shipment. After all the packages on the shipment have been identified, select any additional services, add your shipment references, if any, identify the ship date, and then click on the Refresh Shipping Rates link. FreightDesk Online will retrieve rate estimates for the selected carrier. Select the desired service and then click Save. The Refresh Shipping Quote and Packaging details will update the order. Now the shipping labels are ready to be printed.